can show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show you what love's supposed to be. I can show you what love.
Guys, welcome back. So I'm back again with another gorgeous wig from Fancivivi. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Y'all gonna see in a minute. So it's the same packaging as like it was previously. So let's go ahead, jump into it. Got the wig, which I'll get into in a few. I also got a pair of wig caps, and they put a pair of lashes in it along with some chains. That's great for like braids, because you know Fancivivi specialize in braided wigs, right? I also got this bonnet, nice dark black bonnet, and I got this headband, which is branded Fancivivi, which is great for melting your lace. And then finally I got this like booklet on the inside. So well, it's not a booklet, it's just some cards giving like different like coupon codes and information in terms of like, you know, the brand and how to carry your hair, all that good stuff. You know, you always get these type of stuff in your package, so that's really nice. So what this is a curly knotless braids over hip length 36-inch full hand-tied HD lace small box braided wig. All right, I feel like the braids are pretty medium size, but I love it nonetheless. It's small, but I feel like they're medium. And it's a full-on lace, like it's a full lace wig, so that means that anywhere you take up, like lift the braid from you, it will look like scalp, no surge whatsoever, right? So this is very much like a goddess vibe, and it's gorgeous. It's 36 inches long. You see that? 36 inches long, and it's knotless. Listen guys, I'm about to install it so good. Remember I said one time gone, you know, when would catch me at hear me and say, yo, me I do no braided wig for so long, or I wouldn't have on a braided wig for very long. But this company right here, Fancivivi, they changed my mind towards a braided wig. Their braided wigs are immaculate all the time. Okay, you're looking for something realistic, you can't bother for go sit down and braid in the ear. You just want something for 1-2 day, or you don't love for it for the week too, but you just can't bother for go sit down for the braiding process. Get you a wig from Fancivivi or Fancivivi, all right? Because they understand, and I love that, you know. So that's how it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and get into installing. Oh, let me go ahead and show you inside of this cap, by the way. So this is how the inside of the cap looks, in case you're wondering. It has a total of 3 combs, 2 on the sides and 1 in the back. Also, they did add adjustable straps in the back here, so you can make it tighter, and they added this adjustable strap as well in addition to that one. So this one has this like non-slip plastic area, so it really makes it hard for the wig to slip once you go ahead and really secure it with this band here. So I always ensure to tighten them so they can be more secure on my head and stuff. So I love that. I'm gonna definitely adjust the strap, because with these wigs, you know, it's long and it's braids, so it's gonna be a little weighty, but this is not super heavy. Once you put it on your head, it's fine, it's totally fine. So like the weight of it is fine, but you know, you don't want it to slip back easy, so I always tighten it, not to get a headache, not to the point where I get a headache, but just for it to be as secure as possible on my head.
I can show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show you what love's.
They ensure to, you know, add the baby hair portions. So, you know, if you want to go ahead and do that vibe, that whole baby hair vibe, you can, which I feel like is always a nice touch, because I personally love to do my soups. I don't care what nobody says. I'm not gonna make nobody bully me. I'm gonna wear them until I feel like stop wearing them, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead, cut off the excess lace on the sides. Just make sure it's measuring my head properly. So usually I have to end up cutting off one of the braids because it won't fit around my ear properly if I don't cut it. But it's already parted, so it's really easy to cut away that area.
I can show you what love's supposed to feel like. I can show you, yeah. I can show you, yeah. You're the light inside of me every night. We're chasing dreams, ain't got time to make 'em see what we believe. You and me, yeah.
Guys, oh my gosh, so I'm finally done with installation. Tell me this doesn't look good. This looks so good, so realistic. Like, I didn't use up all the baby hairs, all the pieces. So for the middle piece, I just wrap it around the two front braids. But I mean, I like the little messy look that it has. It's kind of just doing its own thing. I like that. The hair, the wig is very flat. Alright, it is very flat. Now, you know, it's my first time trying out the goddess style. So, you know, these get a little caught in my fingernails sometimes. Like the curly pieces, like, you know, so I have to be careful with those. But it is very nice. Like, very nice. As I said, this is 36 inches. 36 inches. It's gorgeous. Realistic, so realistic. Like, you could go ahead and style this up in many ways, you know, like it's a whole vibe. It's too cute. Like, I'm just playing around with it. Like, honestly, look at that. This is nice. This is a 10 out of 10. I'm gonna keep this on for a couple of days, well, because this is too nice. It's very realistic, and I did like 4 layers of glue, as I said I would do before, and it feels super secure, like super snug. The wig is doing what it's supposed to do. I am so confident in Fancivivi, so confident. So yeah, this is style number 1. The next time I'm gonna put it in is my regular style that I love doing it in all the time, which is my half. This is a half up, half down, but like in a more messy vibe. And then the next one is just my pull back, half up, half down. And you could experiment and do so much more with it. You could just wear it down as is, but it's braids. Come on, we gotta make it more fun, you know? So yeah, it's so nice. Let me know what you guys think. Of course, you guys know I'm going to put the direct link to this wig in my description box. So if you're interested in getting it for yourself, you could go ahead and check out my description box. And if I have any, you know, discount codes or anything, it will be listed. Also, all the specification will be listed once more. So if you guys are interested and want to get this wig for yourself, it will be down there. Shout out to Fancivivi. I'm so, like, pleased. Oh, and by the way, did I tell you? Yeah, the texture of the hair is actually synthetic. It is synthetic. But the fact that they use HD lace on this wig is a plus, and I feel like it's a must, because if you don't do that, then the wig just not gonna look realistic. Like, the HD lace really helps with that natural realistic appearance. Like, it's a win, automatic win, so you can't go wrong with that. And I mean, it's a braided wig, so I really don't mind it being synthetic. It doesn't need to be human hair. It's synthetic and it is amazing. I personally don't get these braids like directly in my natural hair. I'm not big on them. So I love the fact that I can still explore these styles with a wig and it looks good and natural. It's the biggest thing for me, you know. So that's it for today's wig look. I'm gonna go ahead and do this in the next style. If you guys know me, you know which style I'm about to do. I'm about to take just a bit from each side. Oh, child. I feel so good with these braids. Because I'm a type of girl, I prefer when my braids are kind of like messy. You know, something about that look, they just look nice. I just love it. The hair is a 10. Hold on, let me change my top so you can see the hair a little bright top. So you guys can see it's a little clearer. But I feel like it's looking so good. As I said, that's the vibe. That is it for the wig look today. I hope you guys found this video informative. I hope, you know, yeah, if you like the wig, if you like the whole look and all of that, go ahead and give this video a thumb up. If you're interested in getting it, as I said, check my description box. Shout out to Fancivivi or Fancivivi for today's bomb look. I am very, very happy I could try this one out for you guys. So happy. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and I'll see you in my next videos. Until then, just go and make up on yourself. Bye.